Welcome to Car Garage, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, expert insights, and the best in automotive content. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle GSR marks the return of a beloved icon with a bold twist and modern updates that blend retro style with contemporary performance. This new version of the Beetle pays tribute to the legendary GSR model from the 1970s, while embracing current technologies and driver expectations. Volkswagen has kept the unmistakable rounded silhouette of the Beetle, but added aggressive enhancements, like a dual-tone color scheme, a sportier stance, and modern lighting elements that elevate its road presence. The 2025 Beetle GSR is not just a nostalgic throwback, but a legitimate performance hatchback aimed at enthusiasts who want character with capability. Under the hood, the 2025 Beetle GSR is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering an estimated 250 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain is paired with a refined 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission which allows for quick, smooth shifts and responsive driving dynamics. Front-wheel drive remains standard, but the improved suspension system and revised chassis tuning provide confident handling through corners and improved road stability. Drivers will enjoy sharp throttle response and a refined yet exciting exhaust note that hints at the car's sporty intentions. On the outside, the 2025 Beetle GSR distinguishes itself with exclusive design touches including GSR badging, bold racing, stripes, and a black roof that contrasts with vibrant body color options such as yellow, red, and blue. LED headlights and taillights with dynamic turn signals bring the car up to modern visual standards, while large 19-inch alloy wheels add to the aggressive stance. Aerodynamic enhancements, such as a rear spoiler and front air splitter, not only look good but also aid in performance at higher speeds. Inside the cabin, the Beetle GSR combines classic design elements with modern tech and comfort features. The retro-inspired dashboard layout includes circular air vents and signature Beetle-style trims, while the technology suite is thoroughly up-to-date. Drivers will find a fully digital instrument cluster, a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and wireless smartphone charging. The sports seats are upholstered in a combination of leather and Alcantara, with yellow stitching that matches the exterior highlights. Heated front seats and a leather-wrapped steering wheel complete the premium feel. Passenger comfort is also a priority with improved legroom in both the front and rear seats thanks to subtle design tweaks. Although the Beetle remains a compact car, it is surprisingly practical with split-folding rear seats and a hatchback design that allows for decent cargo space. Whether used for daily driving or weekend getaways, the Beetle GSR offers both charm and usability. In terms of safety, the 2025 Beetle GSR comes with Volkswagen's latest IQ Drive suite of driver assistance features. This includes adaptive cruise, control lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross-traffic alert. These features make the car safer and more convenient to drive, especially in busy urban settings. Volkswagen has also strengthened the body structure and added more airbags to improve crash protection, making the Beetle GSR a responsible choice as well as a fun one. Fuel economy is estimated at around 30 miles per gallon combined, which is quite respectable given the car's performance orientation. Volkswagen has worked to improve efficiency through engine tuning, lightweight materials, and improved aerodynamics. The driving experience is balanced between spirited performance and everyday comfort, making it an ideal choice for those who want the best of both worlds. Another noteworthy feature is the customizable drive modes, which allow the driver to switch between eco comfort and sport settings. This alters throttle response, steering feel, and transmission behavior to match driving preferences. Combined with a refined suspension system, the Beetle GSR delivers a planted feel on highways and nimble handling in city traffic. The car is surprisingly capable and engaging for something rooted in retro aesthetics. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle GSR is a compelling mix of heritage style and modern engineering. It revives the fun and unique personality of the original Beetle GSR while offering the performance and technology expected by today's drivers. It is an excellent option for anyone who wants to stand out on the road without sacrificing comfort or capability. Volkswagen has succeeded in making the Beetle GSR a car that not only looks special, but also feels special behind the wheel. If you enjoyed this video and want more in-depth reviews of the newest cars hitting the market, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay updated with the latest automotive content only here at Car Garage.